Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to edit fertilizers in your NutriNet fertilization program to better match your specific needs. Let's get started. When you create a fertilization program in NutriNet, the system automatically suggests fertilizers based on your plot's location, the fertilizers available in that country, and the nutrient requirements of your selected plan. However, if you'd like to use different fertilizers, whether due to availability or personal preference, you can easily edit the recommended list to better suit your needs. To start editing fertilizers, open an existing fertilization program and go to the Fertilization Recommendations tab. Scroll to the bottom of the page. Here you'll see the recommended fertilizers for the current growth stage. Make sure you're viewing the correct stage before making any changes. Now click on Edit Fertilizers to enter the editing mode. Once you're in fertilizer editing mode, you'll see a list of the currently recommended fertilizers. You can remove fertilizers in two ways. Click the Remove button next to any fertilizer you want to delete, or click Clear All Fertilizers at the bottom left to remove the entire list. If you change your mind and want to bring back the original recommended fertilizers, just click Discard Changes to undo your edits. After removing any unwanted fertilizers, click the Add Fertilizers button. A new window will open with 4 tabs: Search Fertilizers, Recommended Fertilizers, Create New Fertilizer, and Edit My Fertilizers. Let's start with the Search Fertilizers tab. Use this tab to search for fertilizers you'd like to include in your program. If you selected straight fertilizers when creating the program, only straight products will appear. If you choose Polyfeed, both straight and blended fertilizers will be available. You can quickly find specific fertilizers using the search bar. It's also possible to select multiple fertilizers at once. After selecting the fertilizers you want, click Add Selected Fertilizers, and they'll appear in the fertilizer strip below. To apply the changes to your program, click Save and Apply. Let's move on to the Recommended Fertilizers tab. This tab suggests fertilizers that can help improve your program's results by recommending products that can improve nutrient fulfillment. Simply select one or more fertilizers, click Add Selected Fertilizers, and then Save and Apply to update your program. Now let's see how to create your own fertilizer. Go to the Create New Fertilizer tab. Use this tab to add a custom fertilizer that isn't already in the system. Start by entering the fertilizer's name, then choose its type, straight or polyfeed, and specify whether it's a solid or liquid fertilizer. If it's a liquid fertilizer, make sure to enter its density in grams per cubic centimeter. Then indicate whether the fertilizer is soluble or non-soluble for base dressing fertilizers. Next, enter the fertilizer's nutrient composition as percentages. Once all the details are filled in, click Save New Fertilizer to finish. Your custom fertilizer will now appear under the My Fertilizers section in the Search tab, ready to be used in your programs. To edit or delete your custom fertilizers, go to the Edit My Fertilizers tab. Here you can update the details or remove any of the fertilizers you've previously created. Remember, after editing the fertilizer strip, whether by adding or removing fertilizers, you must click Save and Apply Changes to apply the updates to your program. Once applied, check the Fulfillment row at the bottom of the nutrient table. This row shows how well your current fertilizers meet the crop's nutrient requirements. If you're satisfied with the results, you're good to go. If not, continue editing until the fulfillment levels meet your goals. For additional tools to manage your fertilizer list, click the 3 dots on the right side next to the fertilizer strip. This opens a menu with more options. Back to Default Recommendations restores the fertilizer list to the original system-generated recommendations, and the Apply Fertilizers to All Growth Stages button applies your current fertilizer selection to all growth stages in the program, saving you time and ensuring consistency throughout the season. Congratulations! You now know how to effectively edit and customize fertilizers in your NutriNet program. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.